Today, I am building a Squarespace website for selling services, things like consultation calls, coaching packages, and done-for-you marketing. It should only take me about 5 minutes to set up, so let's get started. And I wanted to quickly mention before I start, you can set all of this up with Squarespace's native selling and membership features, but I'm going to go a different route and use a tool called MemberSpace for a couple of reasons. First, it will just plug right into my website, so it's super easy to set up and get started. And two, it's going to give me a lot more features and a lot more powerful flexibility than what you find with Squarespace's native features, so I can build the business the way that I want. A lot of business owners find that using Squarespace's native features feels just a little bit limited and not super flexible. So adding MemberSpace to my site will fill in a lot of those gaps. I've built this really simple Squarespace website for a business called Next Step Marketing. And the goal here is to sell marketing services to small business owners. So I've got a little header section here and then a services section that walks through each of my 3 services that I want to offer. I've got a marketing strategy call, a 3-month coaching package, and monthly social media management. And then below that, I've just got a simple contact form for potential clients to reach out to me. But before I do anything else, I need to install MemberSpace on my website so I can start building out my pricing plans and uploading my exclusive content that I want to offer clients and getting all of that ready to go live. So I've just set up my new MemberSpace account, and now to install it on my website, I need to grab this snippet of code and click copy, and then head back to my Squarespace website. And under website, go to pages, custom code, code injection, and then paste that snippet of code in the header section and click save. So when I open up my website, I now have this little members button in the bottom right corner, which means that MemberSpace was installed properly, which is awesome. But if I click on the button, it's going to take me to a login form. So when my clients purchase a package from me and I have exclusive content and resources and things for them to access within this account, they'll be able to do that right here, which is really great. The next thing I'm going to do is start uploading my client resources to MemberSpace. So when someone signs up for a call or a package on my website, they will instantly get access to these resources. So I'm going to click add a space. And what I really love about this is that you can really make it your own. You can name your space anything you want. You can upload any type of content and organize it however you would like. So the first thing I'm going to do, or the first space, is just going to be called welcome. It's going to have a few resources for new clients to check out so they get immediate value even before I have a call or a consult with them. So let me add an emoji. Click add now, and just a few things here. The first one is going to be a link to my Calendly calendar so people can book their first call with me or their consultation or whatever it is they have purchased on my website. So we'll say book your call, and then I'm gonna add my Calendly link there and then add a cover image. The next thing I want to do is add a link to a private Facebook group. So this is just going to be a community of all of my clients and myself, so we can share advice and ask questions and all of that. So another value add once someone signs up for a package. So we'll say join our private community, and then add the link. Add the cover image, and then click add now. And then finally, the last thing I'm going to add for now is a guide for a marketing guide for small business owners. So it's a PDF. So I'm going to go with the file option, guide, upload file. There it is. And then I'll upload a cover image for it. Click add now. So no matter what package or consultation someone signs up for, they're going to get immediate access to all of these resources right here. The other spaces that I will add in the future will be on a client by client basis. So when someone books a package with me, I will create a space just for that client. So that might be, maybe their name is Sarah Smith, really creative. And I want to give her like session notes and other personalized resources and things like that. I would create a space just for her and then start uploading all of her content. Maybe I made her a video recap. Maybe I wrote her some notes. Maybe I want to send her links to things, whatever it may be. All of her resources will go in here. And what I'm going to do is I need to edit this real quick. And okay, I need to toggle off this visible to members option if I'm creating like personalized spaces for my clients so that other clients cannot see all of them. So this will be like a private just for this client space where all of their content will live. Okay, so now that I have set up my welcome space, I'm gonna go to set up my pricing plans for each one of my packages. All right, so I'm over here in this pricing section now, and I didn't record this part, but I did connect my MemberSpace account to a Stripe account, which just took me a few minutes to do. And now I'm going to create pricing plans for each one of my packages that I have on my website. So I'm going to go back there to reference those. So this first one, a one-on-one marketing strategy call. That's what I'm going to name my first plan. And that is a one-time payment. So we're going to say that is $150. And then which spaces can be accessed? The welcome space. And then as I have clients who book the strategy call, I will add their like personal client spaces to this pricing plan so that that they can get access to those resources as well. But for now, that's all I'm going to do. And I'm going to click create this plan. And next I'm going to create another plan for the other package that I have. So the 3-month coaching package, that one is going to be, we'll say $1,000. And that I'm going to do, you know what? I could do something creative since it's 3 months. Instead of having people pay one time, I could do a multiple payment. So they pay one payment each month for 3 months. So we'll say, let's do, I don't know, maybe $335 a month for 3 months. And then they also get access to that welcome space and then obviously their personal client spaces that I will add in the future. I think that looks right, doesn't it? 3 multiple payments. Okay, that looks good. And then lastly, the monthly social media management package. So that's a new plan for that as well. I'm going to do reoccurring payment because these are people that are signing up for me to do this every single month. So we are going to say that that is $250 a month. They get access to the welcome space and then their own personal spaces when I create those. So create this plan. Okay. The last thing that I need to do here is take the sign up link for each one of these pricing plans and add them to the call to action buttons here on my website. I think we are good to go. Now people can sign up for any of my services on my website and pay for them right then and there and get access to my client-only resources directly from my website. Now, this process can work for literally any type of service. It doesn't have to be for consultations or coaching. It could be for whatever your business offers. It's super easy to set up. So if you have any questions about the process, how it works, let me know in the comments, and thanks for watching.